What's good, YouTube? It's your boy J Spice. I'm back, baby, with another video. You know what go down. I'm talking about. Welcome to the channel, all my new subscribers, man. Boy, we've been making some numbers happen, man. Hey, listen, man. We already done surpassed 2K, man. So I want to thank y'all for 2K, man. Y'all make a boy feel good, man. Y'all make your boy feel motivated, man. I appreciate every single one of y'all to hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, share my videos, comment on my videos. I appreciate every single one of y'all, you dig? But listen, man, I ain't gonna take too much of your time, man. All my old subscribers, y'all know what go down over here. Y'all already know when I start talking. Y'all already know when it's early in the morning. I got this camera on, you know what I'm talking about? It's going down with the old schools around here. Listen, we got some box Chevy content coming today, baby. Y'all watch this heat. I'm finna turn this camera around. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel, man. It's free, baby. Subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell, make it turn gray. And if you got any questions, comments, opinions, or whatever, leave it in the comment box below, baby, because I talk back. Watch this heat. Watch this heat. Turn this camera around. We spraying today. We spraying today. Watch this. All right. Let me take y'all in the booth, man. Let me take y'all in the booth. Oh, we got that black box Chevy in the booth, you know what I'm talking about? I've been working on this car for a while, man. And I got it all broke down. I got it busted down. This car was painted by another paint shop and it was horrible. It had a lot of trash. Heavy trash, heavy orange peel, heavy runs in each and every door. I have the doors broke down, ready to go, all up in the jams. Bust down Tatiana, she's ready to go. All the way around, baby. All the way around. I don't play no games. Let me show y'all. All the way around, I don't play no games, baby. We trying to make something happen, you know. Like I said, this car was sprayed black by another body shop, and they did a horrible job, man. They did a horrible job on my boy roof. They did a horrible job on the car, period, man. It had cracks, it had runs, it had orange peel, it has trash, it has everything that you can imagine that you didn't want in a paint job, you know. You know, a few things are acceptable here and there, man, but as many things that was wrong with this car, it was pitiful. Done by a professional paint shop. I ain't gonna mention their name because it ain't worth it. Ain't no need some throwing salt in nobody else's game. But I just want to turn this camera on and I want to let y'all boys know that I'm about to get active. I'm about to lay some 2K down on this thing. We're gonna be spraying this box Chevy all black. And of course, that boy got that big panorama. You know what I'm talking about? He got the big panorama. I didn't put that in, the guy did it. I done fixed the cracks in it. Skim coated it up, all that good stuff. She's ready to go. I believe I got this body pretty straight, but I'm gonna lay some 2K down on them, something that they didn't do. Try to build it up, cover some of these scratches, cover some of this stuff that was on this car over the years, because he didn't want to break it down the metal. This car really needed to be broke down all the way to metal and brought back up, but he didn't want to do that because that would took a lot of extra time. So I just busted down as far as I needed to, and I got it looking pretty decent, and I got it pretty flat. I wet sanded it with my hand, and that's what I'm gonna do after I primed it. When I put about 3 coats of 2K on this thing, I'm gonna let it dry for a day or so, and then I'm gonna pull it out and I'm gonna wet sand it, and then we're gonna spray this thing jet black. Y'all watch this heat. I'm telling you, let me go take y'all around. I got my mask. I got my mask here ready. Tank full of air. We ready to go, you know what I'm saying? I got that high build over here, you know, 2K. Sitting here ready to go. It's cold, look at that 2K. So yeah, I'm finna get ready to go ahead and mix some activator and some reducer in it, reduce it down, and we finna get active. We finna get active. It's been a long time coming. I know my boy waiting on this car, man. He ready to pull out. Hey, at least he'll be able to ride for Thanksgiving. At least he'll be able to ride for Christmas and next year. Cause hey, we over there, we ain't painted. We over there somewhere. Yeah, we over there. You see us over there. We ain't painted. But it's okay, cause we coming, baby. And that's gonna be some nasty stuff. That's gonna be some nasty stuff. Y'all watch this heat. Watch this heat. I'm tired of talking. All right, family, I'm back, man. I'm back. I'm done, man, with the box Chevy as far as primer go for the day. I got 2 heavy coats. I got 2 coats over the full car, but I went over the top. I really got 3 coats on the roof and the hood and the trunk. but it's covered like a motherfucker, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna give y'all a little look at it real quick before I turn the lights off, turn these fans off, this air compressor, bleed this stuff, put all this crap back up, and I'm finna enjoy my weekend because it's the weekend. And yeah, man, it's finna go down in just a little bit, man. We're gonna let this thing dry for about a day or so. I'm gonna bust this thing down, and we're gonna spray this thing, get this thing out here this week. It's gonna be nasty. Watch this heat. I'm gonna show y'all what I got going on. Okay, you see me? And another one. Yes, sir. I got my boy bust down. I just got through spraying, man. And see, look at this, look at this. Y'all see a little bitty bitch ass spider? Look at that spider. Look at that, man. How can you get away from that out here in the country, man? You know what I'm saying? Look at this gnat. Look at that gnat flying right there. Look at that gnat flying right there. Literally flying. You see it in the middle of the camera? These are things that painters have to deal with, you know what I'm saying? Look at that. Look at that. This the type of stuff painters have to deal with out here in Mother Nature. And like my boy True Grit say, man. My boy True Grit say, in these harsh conditions, when you ain't got that professional paint booth set up with the downdraft and the pressurized system and the filters and the fans and all that good shit. These are things that happen. So keep that in mind when you take your cars to you know what I'm saying, to your back door painters, man. You know what I'm saying? But you know, as a lot of people know, man, sometimes, you know what I'm saying, you can get better results from your back door painters than you can some of these professional people that's sponsored by the government, because in my opinion, people like me, man, we take more pride in what we do, because we ain't got it as good as some of them other ones got it, you know what I'm saying? And sometimes when they have it real good and have all them $900 guns and them nice 60-gallon air compressors with the water separators on them with the perfect stuff, you know what I'm saying, they still can't get it right, because this car was painted in a pressurized booth, man, a professional pressurized booth, and it looked like shit. It looked horrible. It runs was all in the door jams right here and everything, man. I have it all on video, you know. But hell, the roof was cracking. I had to fix cracks, all kind of stuff. The man didn't put enough fiberglass on the man stuff. I've sent all this stuff to the owner of this car, and he know, if he watching this video, he know. He ain't gonna tell y'all, because he don't give a damn about telling y'all. He just want his car right. You feel me? And I can't blame him for that. But your boy Jay Spikes in the back door game, we're gonna get him right. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna get him. Look at them jams, man. I don't play no games. Look at them jams all the way down up in there. Now, look up in there. Like I said, I don't play no games. Ain't no wolf tickets getting sold around here. You know what I'm saying? Ain't no wolf tickets getting sold around here. We don't have time for it. We don't have time for it. We just do the best we can, and we try to get the best results we can from what we got, man. And recently, we've been having some good results with these paint jobs, man. Like that black 300 I painted, it came out pretty good, man. So if y'all want to stay in contact, I mean, stay up to date. If you want to stay up to date on this content of this box Chevy, make sure you hit that like, comment, subscribe, baby. You know what I'm saying? Because it's going down. The next time I pull this video up, man, the next time I turn this camera on and we talking about this box Chevy, it's gonna be time to put that black tuxedo on this thing. I'm gonna wet sand this thing down, and I ain't gonna bring that to you. I'm gonna wet sand this thing down, and I'm gonna have it ready to paint. I ain't gonna bore y'all with sanding. So I'm telling y'all, man, I appreciate all my people following, man. Hold on. I appreciate all my subscribers, man, all my real true supporters, man. Y'all make sure y'all follow along with your boy. Tune in so you won't have to go look for your boy, typing in my name and all that old crap, man. Just go on subscribe. That way, when your boy pop up something, if it look good to you, when it pop up on your notifications, click it, watch it, like it, watch this heat, man. Watch it. I ain't gonna beg you, baby, because if you want to get left behind, man, you get left behind. I try to stay up on all my watchers, all my people that I'm subscribed to. I want to know when they dropping some heat, because I be bored trying to watch this content. Yeah, but like I said, man, y'all watch this heat. It's your boy Jay Spice, man. I'll be back with another one next time I pick up this camera and we talking about this car. It's gonna be getting sprayed black, baby. So y'all better watch this heat. I'll see y'all on the next one, baby.